All right, hello everyone. So let's do a recap for the week. Now, the reason I'm doing this is I put a few stuff on Twitter as well. For the past 2 weeks, I'm like giving you examples on how to do setups as well. I also gave you one yesterday for the gold setup as well. On Fridays, I don't usually work, but I thought it was a good opportunity to show you something. So on Twitter as well, if you're following, that'd be good. So you can keep up with stuff. It's just like ideas and things, and also the videos I posted there might also help you out. All right, so this is, let's see, this was the gold one, right? And I posted 2 videos on that, the case study. Okay, this is the first one, gold case study. This is the one in the morning, and then this is the one late afternoon, early evening, let's say, part 2, as to why this trade was okay to get out here, despite the fact that the Astro hour was here. And as you can see, it turned around in that Astro hour right there and started pushing up right back into the targets. And when I did this video, I said, here's a good entry level with a tight stop loss, targeting once again the same targets as Thursday. So if you watched the video and if you checked it out, you know you need to start to like resonate with time and price and how it's moving together. Okay, because it's really new to a lot of people, and it's really, I don't know, sometimes it just needs a bit of practice. Okay, so this was that short position, and then we covered the trade. I got out there and I actually posted it when the trade was around here. I said we should get down to these levels, and this was the Astro, and I said there are 2 options here. We're either going to wave around, go up and sell off, or we're going to come into there and turn around, and this is what happened. Went in there, turn around. The retracement was a beautiful Astro hour as well, which I said you can get in here to go back up, and that's exactly also what the market did. Okay, so let's first take a look at the swing days, right? Here we have the swing days from Monday. So euro dollar, we had Monday, Tuesday. Let's check it out. This is euro dollar. Okay, so if I take a look here, that's your Monday, Tuesday. Now, if you recall, we were long on that one, and I did post on this as well. So Monday, Tuesday, right on the lows here, 19 February, Monday, and Tuesday. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday coming back to retest, pushing back up, and the entry was right here at Astro hours, market just breaking out, going all the way into that level Thursday. And we talked about this level as well. Remember, I said there's an Astro hour here, and the market just pushed, and in this zone it started to pull back. Okay, so that's Monday and Tuesday for the euro dollar. So if you just wait for the swing days and enter, right? So if the market is low, you want to go long. If the market is high, you want to go the other way in short, because that's what it's all about. Bitcoin Monday and Friday. I also put it here weekend. Let's take a look at gold Monday and Thursday for gold. This is gold. If I shrink this up into a 1-hour chart. Now on Thursday, it was a swing day as well. If you sold the top at the Astro hour, you would have had a whopper of a winning. And this is why I sold, because Thursday was a swing day. It was a good retracement to sell down until the Astro hour, which reversed the market, broke out. The retracement into the Astro hour was great to go back up again. And also, as you can see, that's Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Monday being the low of the day, low of the week actually, low of the week, and picking up all the way into there. All right, so that's nice. And that's how you got to work it out. Let's take a look at SP 500, Tuesday and Friday. Now, Tuesday, I had a trade on this one. One of them got stopped out because it got a bit messy. But at the end of the day, let's tighten this up a little bit. That's it, Tuesday, and then here, as you can see, a whopper going all the way into Friday. That was the weekly target on the weekly PST. It did it. On the daily, we had a higher level. It nearly did that on Friday, and Friday was a swing day as well. So if you sold at the Astro hour in New York, you would have also gone down nicely. If you bought in the morning session, okay, like in the European session on Friday, you would have had also a swing hour going upwards into there. All right, so all you have to do is do the time and price match. That's basically all. And here we've got, that's Tuesday, Friday, NASDAQ Tuesday. As you can see, they all moved in together. Bitcoin, I said Monday and Friday, including the weekend. And if you take a look, that's your Monday. And the only thing that happened was Tuesday, it took out the stops and just kept pushing down until Friday. And we're on the weekend now. You can see the market like picking up there. So markets come down all the way from that Monday zone into there. On Tuesday, like I said, they just took the stops out and the market was still lower than the high of Monday. A bit choppy, but I've been telling you this zone is a place to sell. And if you were selling on the up moves at the Astro hours downwards, you should have been okay. So that's the swing days. Now, if you want quality trades, then look for the swing day, which matches your technical analysis, and then match it to the hour. For example, if SP 500, let's say this is Friday, right? So Friday is a swing day for the SP 500. So what does it tell you? Look what I've written here. 132, 140, and 330 to 4 is a good level. And also the turn can come at 450 to 520. Now that's obviously UTC plus 3, my time. Okay. 450 to 520. That's when I said the turn can come in. And that's 445 there. Okay. Now 445 is 545 my time because it's 1 hour behind. And we've got here 450, which is 350 here. So that's your 350 there. And that's your 520 on that bar. So the market coming down all the way from the highs into there. And if you wanted to go long on it, 130 to 140, that's 12:30 my time. And that's where the market, as you can see, starts to push up. So it comes into that New York morning session and then dips down. Then it should take us to 720, 725 and can push to 935, which is 620 and 835. That's your 620 right there. 835 is your 735 bar right there. And then what did I say? And hang around there or move until closing. You can see it was hanging around here. And that's basically it. Okay. So we need a bit of, like time, price, matchup, and understanding that reversals can come in. That also allows you to hold your trade. And if you take a look at the gold as well, if you think about it on the 15-minute chart, look, the market, we went long here. That's your Astro hour right at the target. That's your Astro hour right at the target in that zone, and then a reversal happening. So just sticking around here is okay to take your profit and getting out. It's not a problem. You don't have to get greedy. I did the same thing on Thursday. We went long here right into there, and that was it. Same thing yesterday, long at the same price zone there, nearly there in the same price zone, going right into the same thing. It was just nice and easy. So if you want quality over quantity, you can just go for the swing days and the swing hours. If you're a day trader and you need something every day, wait for the swing day. And then what you can do a follow-up trade the next day as well on a retracement. That'll give you follow-up time. This is exactly what I did on the gold because I went up with it. I didn't sell it off, but the market did sell off. And Thursday was a swing day. I should have actually done that as well. Okay, and then the market goes back on Thursday. So I said, this is a good place to sell because it's a retracement and there are no gaps here. It just filled in there, exactly, fill in right at the Astro hour. So selling here was great and coming down into this zone was also great. And I made a video I said, it's either going to come down here to the next one, or if it starts to go back up, it might go up there to sell again. So taking profit here, 1 to 9, 1 to 8 was okay. So that's what I did as soon as it broke out and closed above that level. So I said, okay, let's just get out and wait for the next Astro hour. So you have to plan and time it. And there's no better planning and timing is when you got hours. Because now you know you only need to look at the screen there. You only need to look at the screen there. And if I set a good level and also turn can come at 520, right, that's going to be 420, which is, as you can see right there, that's your 4, that's your 415. All right, because the platform is 1 hour behind, you're looking at 520 my time, 420 on the platform, and that's it. In fact, it was this one there. Okay, and that's it. Beautiful way to go back up. And that was a really tight stop loss as well. So even if we were wrong, there was no harm in that one because the stop loss is really tight, very, very tight. Okay, and that's how it is, guys. Just, if you want to take the quality trades, just start your trading day on a swing day. And if you want to trade just every day and everything, just make sure you're not in the middle of nowhere, but you want to take the highs to sell, lows to buy, and go with the bias of the direction. Don't just blindly go in. But matching hours to your technical analysis is a relaxed way of trading because you don't have to rush into all kinds of price action stuff, all kinds of stuff that's happening around here. I know it's hard to kind of like fathom because we're looking at like astro cycles to trade on hours, but as you can see, it just makes sense. It just takes the fatigue out of the trading, and you just trade at the hours, which is just good for trading, and that's about it. So I hope this helps. I know it's a bit hard to get used to it because we're so used to watching the screen, but at least knowing when to trade also allows you to have some focus, and you can enter better setups and and be better prepared for all kinds of risk management.